Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a phone teardown. So you might wonder, there's a name gaming in my channel. How's this gaming? Well, it's a gaming phone and we're doing a teardown on a gaming phone. And why didn't I turn this phone on earlier? Why doesn't it turn on? I should have turned on much earlier. No, my god, it's not in good condition. Okay, as you can see, it's turning on. So it totally works. It's not like it's a broken phone. There you go. I hope you heard that, because it doesn't have very strong speakers. So it's still turning on. Why is this so slow? I wish this was faster. I'm probably gonna cut this. Oh wait, I don't have a good editing software. How long does this take? Can you please? There we go, finally. So you can see it totally works. So let's just turn this off for a moment. See, we turn that off and boom! Now it's turning off. This is just to prove that it actually works. So, yeah. Oh my god, this is the slowest thing I've ever seen. How long is it? It's been 1 minute and 20 seconds just trying to turn this thing off. Let's just unplug the battery, to be safe and everything. Now, we're just gonna have to pry it open. So, this is probably gonna be very boring for you guys, but you can skip the video a bit. Like, you can skip forward to the video. So, yeah. That's an option. Skip forward, and this doesn't want to come off. Yeah, there we go. So that's the insides of the phone. What is this? Okay, we're just gonna pretend like nothing ever happened. So this is the insides of the phone. So here, as you can see, we have a wire. This connects the bottom part, which is these touch screens, to the top part. So we're just gonna open this part with this little screw here. Boom. And then on this part, you just open like that. Like that. Boom. Now, we're just going to take a moment to inspect on this. This is basically two speakers, but these are magnetic. So, yeah. Quite strong, actually, I'd say. So, the speakers connect from here to here. Over here, you might be wondering, how do they connect? And this is just a flashlight that connects from here to here. So, other than that, this is a useless piece. I'm just going to throw it away. Because, like, nobody needs that. Nobody needs the battery and everything. So, we're just gonna unplug this piece. It's a Lego style ribbon connector. And then we can take this off. I said we can take this off. There we go. We can take this off. Now, as you can see over here, we have the vibration motor. This thing moves and your mobile goes like, it vibrates like crazy. So yeah, nothing really much about this except these lights. These are LEDs. Like, this is a LED, this is a LED, and this is a LED. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, this thing is useless. Okay? We don't need that. Go away. They're useless. So if we have the main board, we can unplug this other ribbon cable. I have no clue what that goes to. That probably goes to the screen. Then we have this ribbon cable. I have also no clue what this goes to. I mean, there's just random ribbon cables in here. No random, like, it's just totally random. Let's pull those off. And then we have the camera. So let's just unplug this ribbon cable for the camera. And then you see the camera comes out. Now, it has no OS, you see. No optical image stabilization. So after that, you can pull it out, but be careful because there's a little ribbon cable right here. I hope you can see it, like right here. So let's just unplug that. There we go. And boom. Now we have the selfie camera still on this right here. So we're just going to pull that off. Well, you don't want to pull it off first. You want to unplug this. Oh my god, why is it so hard? There we go. It comes off. And then you can just pull the selfie camera off. So, as well, just for no OS, see, doesn't move. So no optical image stabilization. Now, this is the motherboard. It probably has some thermal paste in here that would go into here, transfer the heat and everything. And then this is basically the inside of the phone. There's not really much to the insides of the phone. So we basically have all these ribbon cables, and that's pretty much it. That's we're near the end of the teardown. So what is this? Okay, that's just a piece of foam. So this is my first time actually opening this. So I have no clue. So this is the you might be wondering what this is. This is the camera hole, and then here we have like right here we have a light. It shows if you have any notifications, if it's charging, blah blah blah, and everything. So that's about it. So it's just and other than that is the base, and it's pretty big. It's pretty big of a base. So other than that, it's just a screen, and the touch. All of this is touch part. It is a touch screen. So yeah. Other than that, it's just a regular screen, nothing special. So that's about it. Remember, so we're just gonna have to say bye from here. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment on what you think. So if you might not like the video, you may even put a dislike. Doesn't really care. It's your choice. And bye.